What's up, y'all? So I am back. You probably can't even see me. I don't even know, girl. Can y'all see me? This bed, y'all, is so huge. My husband left before they put it up, but I know he gonna be shaking his head when he see it. Like, this bed is so huge, y'all. I haven't even made the bed, but for the most part, I love it. It's so pretty. I mean, I love it. Girl, the nightstands are huge. Can y'all see that nightstand over there? I'm gonna bring y'all close. Don't even worry about it. Right now, I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna see how these curtains, I'm gonna see how these curtains look. I showed you guys this in my last vlog. It kind of like goes with the bed a lot. So let's see. That nightstand is so huge that I could barely get in that closet over there. No, I didn't do measurements. Don't ask me that question, because no, I didn't do measurements. Whew, it's hot. It's hot in here. But let me see. So y'all just gonna see me put this stuff together. Okay, y'all, so what y'all think of these curtains? I think they're a good match. I think they're a good match. These nightstands are huge. Like, I like it. I liked my gray bed, but I was over it because of the base that came with the bed. I'm not having second thoughts. I'm like, dang, it's just so big. It's just so big. The only thing I'm gonna have to do is push my desk over some, but I love it. So I'm gonna make the bed up, and okay, y'all, so I will be back. I'm about to make this bed up so that you guys can see, because look, that's how big it is. All of this. All of that. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, I just threw the pillows on, as you can see, and this is our bed. This is how it actually looks. Yeah, I didn't get their dresser. I didn't really want the dresser. I kept ours, but this is the nightstand. Real cute. And yeah, guys, this is the nightstand. I really like this nightstand. I was able to push it over a little bit so that this closet we have access to the closet now, so that's cool. But yeah, I like this. It's a warranty on the furniture, and it comes with another drawer. But this is how the base looks. And I just put this stuff together. I was scanning my receipts for my Fetch Rewards. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this because I don't want this anymore. Yeah, so I'll probably give that to somebody close to me. And this is the other nightstand. So I just put the two little pompous for now. I don't even think I have to really see a set of let me sit down real quick. I'll probably have to see a nice set of lamps to get. I don't know, right now I'm not in a rush. I like the way that it looks right now. I love the bed. It's a bit big, y'all. I can't even lie to you. It's a bit big. So if you have like a standard size bedroom, I advise you to not get the, you know, this kind of a bed. But I'm going to give you the name of the bed on the screen so that you can take a look, check it out. And the nightstands, the dresser is beautiful, but the quality was not like, it didn't, I don't know, y'all. No, because I really like my dresser, and you just don't be changing out dressers. So I really like the dresser we got. We got this from Ashley some years ago, and it's a good quality, so I kept that. So right now I am in the process of this is my brother's Corey. I got to give that back to him. I have all these shoes containers. I showed you guys that in another video. I kept this rug down here. I don't know. I was going to get a beige rug, and I do have a rug downstairs, but I'm taking that back because I don't need it. It's just doing too much for me. Yeah, I'm just going to keep this rug down here for now. Yeah, so I'm liking it. I still have my little mirror. That's the only mirrored piece as furniture that I have, is this one right here. I love my mirrors from Z Gallery. I love those. They're something that will go with me they are something that will go with me when we decide to move. I wouldn't give that away. But yeah, and then this is and then I just put the desk over here, as you can see. I'm really trying my best, y'all. My desk ain't all that clean, but I'm trying my best to downsize. So I really don't even want a desk in the room, to be honest with you all, but I do put on my makeup and do my hair, so whatever. And these are just my Bibles and journals and stuff like that. But for the most part, y'all, I'm really liking the new bed. Now I'm gonna get on here and look crazy. I should go back and take that rug back to Ross. That's probably what I do. So I'm gonna end the video because it's been a long, it's been a long day, and I need to juice myself up, so I'll be back. Hey beauties, what's up? I just left Ross. I just returned that rug. I hate that it gets dark so late. I always say that over and over, but I do. It feels like it's like 9 o'clock, and it's probably like 4 o'clock. Okay, so I returned that rug. Purchased the rug, and I realized, you know what, I don't need it at all. It's all dreary. Okay, so I'll probably end up stopping at this Target right here because I want to pick up that peppermint spray by Miss Myers. That is the bomb, and it's limited edition, and I don't feel like going online ordering it. So if Target has it, I'm going to pick up 2. So I'm going to try this Target right here and see if they have it. Oh, there's traffic. Yeah, and it's just 4 o'clock, y'all. But up, you guys? So I'm back at home, and I just got in from Target, and I'm going to show you what I picked up really quick. It was just a real fast run because I was looking for that Miss Myers spray. Unfortunately, I didn't find it. I noticed that it was sold out at the, I didn't go to Walmart, I went to Target, and unfortunately it was sold out at my local Targets in my area. But I did see the hand soap, the peppermint hand soap. I picked 2 up. Some crunch berries, I like those. Some Simply orange juice to go with my cranberry juice. Some sweets. And what is this? The plug-ins, the Mediterranean. I hope I like this scent. I really do. Okay. It smelled good. Some bread. Some french fries, house cut with sea salt from Alexia. And I wanted to try these Down There wipes. Rose water. You get 20 in there. And I also got the this was inexpensive too. This is the aloe based cleanser. Yeah, it smelled pretty good. But I got my my handy dandy, or shall I say my oldie but goodie on deck, and some feminine products. I just got these just because I needed them soon. So yeah, that's all I got from Target. And I do want to show you guys this sweater. I'll show you probably tomorrow. This sweater that my friend is selling. Well, she's not just selling sweaters, she's actually selling clothes. She has a business, but we'll talk about that on tomorrow. So because I'm going to try it on for you guys and let you see how it looks. But yeah, I'm gonna get in here and make my son something to eat. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. All right, talk to y'all. Bye.